The arid plains of southern Peru hold a secret. Etched into the desert floor, like gigantic hieroglyphs visible from the sky, lie the Nazca Lines. These enigmatic geoglyphs, sprawling across 170 square miles, have captivated the world's imagination for decades. Discovered in the 1920s by overflying pilots, the lines depict a menagerie of creatures, geometric shapes, and seemingly abstract patterns. Their sheer scale and intricate designs, preserved for centuries by the arid climate, have fueled endless speculation and debate. Were they astronomical calendars, sacred pathways, messages to the gods? The Nazca Lines whisper of a lost civilization and a forgotten purpose, beckoning us to unravel their secrets. The Nazca Lines present a profound archaeological enigma. Created by the Nazca people, who flourished in the region from 200 BC to 600 AD, the lines represent a monumental artistic and cultural achievement. Their creation involved the painstaking removal of the reddish-brown surface gravel to reveal the lighter-colored earth beneath. This seemingly simple technique, applied on a massive scale, resulted in designs that are best viewed from the air, raising intriguing questions about their purpose and the level of sophistication possessed by their creators. Were the Nazca people simply master geometers and artists? Or did they possess knowledge and abilities that we are only beginning to understand? The discovery of the Nazca Lines sparked a wave of research and exploration, drawing archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians to this remote corner of Peru. Scholars have meticulously documented the lines, using aerial photography and ground surveys to map their intricate patterns. Despite decades of study, however, the true purpose of the Nazca Lines remains elusive. Were they ceremonial spaces used for rituals and processions? Did they serve as astronomical markers charting the movements of the sun, moon, and stars? Or did they hold a deeper, more symbolic meaning, reflecting the cosmology and beliefs of the Nazca people? The Nazca Lines stand as a testament to the ingenuity and artistic vision of an ancient civilization. They challenge our understanding of the past, reminding us that our knowledge of history is always evolving. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Nazca Lines, we embark on a journey of discovery, seeking to understand not only the how, but also the why behind these enigmatic creations. The desert canvas awaits, ready to reveal its secrets to those who dare to explore its depths. Stepping onto the desert floor, the sheer scale of the Nazca Lines is breathtaking. Lines, some stretching for miles, disappear into the horizon. Among the most iconic figures is the hummingbird, its delicate wings outstretched in flight. Measuring over 300 feet long, its graceful form speaks to the Nazca people's keen observation of the natural world. Was this creature, known for its ability to hover and change direction with precision, revered for its agility or its connection to the spiritual realm? Another striking geoglyph is the spider, its elongated body and spindly legs sprawling across the desert. Some scholars believe it represents a constellation, its position in the sky aligning with the appearance of certain stars. Others see it as a symbol of fertility, its web-spinning abilities associated with life and abundance. The monkey, with its curled tail and playful demeanor, adds another layer of intrigue. Its exaggerated limbs and human-like features have led some to speculate about its possible connection to shamanistic practices and altered states of consciousness. The Nazca Lines are not limited to animal figures. Geometric shapes, including trapezoids, spirals, and zigzags, are scattered across the plain. Some theories suggest these shapes served as astronomical markers, aligning with solstices and equinoxes. Others propose they were used in ritual processions, their precise measurements dictating the movements of participants. The sheer variety and complexity of the designs have fueled countless interpretations, each offering a glimpse into the possible beliefs and practices of the Nazca people. The tree, a solitary figure standing amidst the vastness of the desert, is particularly enigmatic. Its branches reach towards the sky, while its roots seem to delve deep into the earth. Was it a symbol of life and renewal, or did it hold a deeper cosmological significance, representing the connection between the earthly and celestial realms? The Nazca Lines are a tapestry of symbols, each thread woven into the fabric of a lost civilization. Their interpretation remains a tantalizing puzzle, inviting us to explore the depths of human imagination and the mysteries of the ancient world. The true purpose of the Nazca Lines continues to be a subject of intense debate among scholars. Some, like archaeologist Johann Reinhard, believe the lines played a crucial role in water rituals. The Nazca region is one of the driest places on Earth, and water was essential for survival. Reinhard argues that the lines, some aligned with ancient aqueducts and water sources, may have been used in ceremonies to invoke rain and ensure a bountiful harvest. Other researchers, such as astronomer Gerald Hawkins, have proposed an astronomical explanation. Hawkins meticulously analysed the alignment of the lines and found that some corresponded to the rising and setting points of significant stars and constellations. This suggests the Nazca people may have possessed a sophisticated understanding of astronomy, using the lines as a giant celestial calendar to track seasons and predict astronomical events. Ethnoarchaeologist Anthony Avini has explored the possibility that the Nazca Lines served as sacred pathways. He notes that many ancient cultures used processions and pilgrimages as a way to connect with their deities. The straight lines of the Nazca Plain, some stretching for miles, could have been used for such ritual journeys, with the geoglyphs serving as markers or destinations along the way. More fringe theories propose that the Nazca Lines were created by or for extraterrestrial visitors. Proponents of this idea point to the lines' visibility from the air, suggesting they were intended as signals for beings in the sky. While this theory has captured the public imagination, it lacks concrete scientific evidence and is generally dismissed by mainstream archaeology.